Hey guys, I'm Bob. Welcome to the Math channel, and today I'm going to teach you Excel of how to convert the date in a text format to a date in a normal date format. Well, so the problem that we face normally is that sometimes clients or companies can send you a data set in which the date itself is in a text format, and you might be very frustrated because when it comes to plotting a graph itself, it doesn't really show up to date. So let me just give you an example in this case. Date versus value itself. So column A represents the date, which is in the text format, while column B represents the value, which is in number. So, sometimes when we try to plot a scatter plot, you realize that, by the way, the horizontal axis, right, represents the date itself, and the vertical axis represents the value itself. And then you realize that, this horizontal axis isn't represented by the date itself, and it is of the equal interval. So by right, you can see that the dates are not of the equal interval itself. There's some jumps from here to here, and there's some jumps from here to here. So it doesn't really, truly represents, all right, the graph itself. So how to actually change from the text format for the date itself, of the date itself, to the normal date format. So what do we do down here is that we click on data. Alright, after which we click on this column A, and then we click on this text to column. So when you click on text to columns, right, the Excel actually detected that this column itself is a delimited data set. So we just keep it that way, and we press next. So after we press next itself, we keep it in tab, alright, and then we press next. So after that, we come to this step 3 itself, alright, our column data format, so which is this column A itself. We want it to change from a text format to a date format. So what do we do down here is that we click on this date column, alright, and this column down here, right, it represents what it is written in the column itself. So in this case, it is year, month, and day. So we will just pick this option, year, which is this part here, month, and day. And after that, we click finish. And as you can see itself, all right, the format itself has already changed, all right, to the date format itself. So the graph itself is changed at the same time, though my x-axis is more of like represented by general kind of a number itself. So we have to sort of like change this, all right, to the sort of like represented by dates, all right. So if we were to expand this, all right, you can see that right now the x-axis itself is correctly represented by dates, which is now in the date format in column A. All right, so here's the summary. So in order to actually convert, okay, from the text format to the date format of my dates itself, you have to click on this text column. All right, so if you need any particular help in Excel, do subscribe to this channel, and also like this video if you think that is really helpful for you. And thank you so much for your support. I'm Bob signing off from here, and see you guys in the next video itself. Goodbye, guys.